Hello, I'm Silvio, co-founder, aid worker, specialized in climate change and food system. I'm also a drone pilot. The lesson learned I got from the coordination of massive humanitarian operation drove me to look for new solutions for natural disaster assistance, using UAV and artificial intelligence, my pole of expertise within TerraData.
Hi, I'm Younes Karoum. I'm one of the co-founders of this brilliant initiative. I'll be in charge of the operational management of the project, and I'll make sure that our tools meets with the field and customer necessities for disaster risk management and response, and I hope you will support it. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Hamza. I'm one of the co-founders, and I'm currently in charge of the spatial analysis aspect. My role is also to develop solutions for managing geospatial information related to humanitarian operations.
Bonjour, Rachid Karoum, j'ai 30 ans d'expérience dans l'aide humanitaire, dont 10 en tant que fondateur, directeur de l'ONG et 10 au sein de la Commission européenne en tant que chargé de mission. Dans notre initiative, je serai en charge de la stratégie d'implémentation et du contrôle qualité en veillant à l'engagement et le renforcement des acteurs, au respect de l'éthique dans l'humanitaire et à l'usage et protection des données, avec votre soutien.
Every year, natural disasters kill around 90,000 people and affect close to 160 million people worldwide. Natural disasters include earthquakes, tsunamis, volcanic eruptions, landslides, hurricanes, floods, wildfires, heat waves, and droughts. They have an immediate impact on human lives and often result in the destruction of the physical, biological, and social environment of the affected people. After natural disasters, decisions must be rapid and evidence-based, but information cannot be verified, and humanitarian operators have three main challenges. First, responders need immediate information relative to the scale, the structural damages, the access, and the first needs of the population. Everything that an aerial capture in the right aftermath of a disaster can universally and precisely bring. Second, governments and donors need an accurate estimate of the economic damages to secure the necessary resources. And third, civil society organizations, including national and international NGOs, in the days following a disaster need fast access to data.
It's a major logistical operation. You need cars, you need many people to go out with surveys and in order to get that information on the ground.
Right after a disaster, a lot of first responders and humanitarian actors had to spend quite big amounts of money and time to conduct their own data collection. Unfortunately, this often seriously delays the delivery of assistance, creating many frustrations, and this is far from being cost-effective.
When a natural disaster occurs, TerraData collects Copernicus-based satellite images of the impacted area and analyze it with priority given to humanitarian operations and disaster relief assistance, food security, health, wash, shelters, communication, road access, logistics, and security. Specific and additional analyses are carried out using drones with a change detection methodology over Copernicus imagery. Drones allow the production of high-quality maps, 3D models of the territory and the structures, elevation, morphology, and vegetative stress. Each element on the territory can be automatically identified and studied. We will do this through our growing pilots network and with our strategic partners. 3. Further analysis is conducted through specific artificial intelligence applications. This allows to quickly assess the impact on agricultural value chains and food security, on structures such as houses, shelter, public buildings, roads, vehicles, and on coast, forests, and local biodiversity. Any change produced by a natural disaster over large areas is detected. And 4. Information is shared with the customer through an online data viewer. It will be possible to access and download data, maps, and carry out change detection analysis based on artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional external services that customers use for land surveys and post-disaster impact assessments, TerraData is a unique, user-friendly, and complete interface that provides instant data and information, allowing a comprehensive, reliable, and timely understanding of an immediate post-disaster situation. A combination of cost-effectiveness, performance, and all-in-one service.
Such a tool that would allow immediate geolocalization of the most impacted household And other key information, such as road access, for instance, will be a game changer for the humanitarian assistance.